for our lady. She's also come with the mics. Come on. Show us some love. Imran, I am very happy personally here because the first time legally I've entered an all-girls college. Only girls college.
Emphasis on legally, huh?
Legally.
अच्छा.
मतलब सूट समेत अंदर परमिशन के साथ आया हूँ. आपको कैसे लग रहा है? ये जो आपको ये मौका मिला है एक ऑल गर्ल्स कॉलेज में एंट्री करने का.
यार ये मेरी पहली बार नहीं है. I don't know if you guys know this or not. We actually shot for Katti Batti. ये दूसरी बार मैं यहाँ आ रहा हूँ legally.
So it's not Imran's first time like mine. Alright, Ganga.
पता चलता है, पता चलता है.
Ganga, as usual, extremely beautiful. Isn't she looking extremely beautiful? You define women power in this country, and right now in all girls college, I am slightly. Tell us, you know, all these girls feel that somewhere they relate to Payal. उनके अंदर एक पायल है, तो उसके ऊपर आप कुछ कहेंगे?
I know how it feels like to be in a girls' school. One guy and all eyes on them.
अरे इसको डिस्काउंट मत करो.
No, I mean standing like this.
Yeah. You know, when I was at the hostel, so we won't get to see a guy for like 6 months, and when they're inter-school competitions, and one guy comes for a painting competition, hostelers will talk like, there is a guy there. So I know that feeling. Did you, like a dinosaur, did you see a boy?
So are you sure maybe it's a girl with short hair? You saw from close or not?
Please stop it. But we shot the film here, so I think the film it belongs to the college as well. And yeah, it's really nice to be here.
Very nice. You know, interestingly, ये फिल्म बहुत ही ज़्यादा quirky है. आप दोनों से सवाल पूछूंगा पहले आपसे कहूँगा. बहुत ज़्यादा quirky है फिल्म. There's a lot of quirks, modern day relationships. Fun लग रहा है. लेकिन is there something else also इसमें कुछ added होगा जो देखने मिलेगा?
The film is a very beautiful love story, and it's very intense. And I think youngsters these days, somewhere I think we sort of underestimate them. But I think they want very deep love stories like Titanic, Notebook, and stories that carry that weight. I'm not talking about the scale of the film, I'm talking about the depth of the relationship and intensity. So this is a film which might or might not end like a tragedy. I don't want to ruin the experience for you all, but know that you would need a lot of tissues because it will make you cry for sure.
Imran, यार, I hate love stories, but still.
Thanks, so subtle, बहुत subtle.
But honestly, tell me, what more can we see? Like you know, everybody thinks of you as this chocolate boy. This, you know, can you believe Imran is married? Sorry for bringing that up. We always had this conversation as to how he looks 20. Between 20 and 25. But he's only 26. But coming back to the point. Tell me, is there any कुछ देखने को मिलने वाला है something?
Yeah, you know, I think Kangana has actually explained it to you guys absolutely perfectly. Generally, when and I don't mean just in Hindi films. Generally, when people make romantic films, there's a lightness to it. There's not a lot of depth to the emotion, to the love story, and I often find that that's what's missing. Katti Batti is a bigger relationship story. It talks about love at a bigger scale. It talks about what it takes for your love to survive in the long run, what it takes for love to endure. That's what really attracted me to the script, and I really hope that's what you guys will enjoy. She's right, huh? The second half, you're going to need tissues.
See, a man agreed to what a woman says. You have to give him a big round of applause.
As you mentioned, I'm a married man, so I spent my life agreeing to what my woman says.
A bigger cheer and a bigger shot for that. You know, talking about styling and all of that, you know, your style is very college, very youth and all of that. You know, in your daily life also, does the woman play a very important role आपकी स्टाइलिंग के लिए कि आप क्या पहनते हो, कैसे पहन रहे हो? What are you wearing? No, it doesn't happen.
See, every guy has heard this at one point or the other, ना कि अच्छा ये पहन के जाओगे? So then you know what happens immediately. अच्छा इसको उतारो, सब बदलो. Go and open the cupboard. अच्छा, what do you like? This shirt? ये वाला T-shirt? नहीं? Okay.
Interesting. See, women will win again here.
Everyone has done this.
Absolutely. कंगना, आपकी स्टाइलिंग, you have become a style icon. आपके हेयर स्टाइल्स के बारे में बहुत चर्चा हुई थी इस फिल्म में. All that.
Can you just, for the record, tell them how many hairstyle changes have you got in this film? Because I am confused. Every day she would come to set with one new look. I was like, अच्छा ये भी है? पहले तो कैसे थे?
7.
You see why I was getting confused? Because one day it will be short, one day it's long, one day it's straight, one day it's curly.
3 haven't been exposed yet, but you'll see that in the film.
Alright, so we're going to have more of them, but then, you know, I think the audience has gone a little quiet. Can we just... This is a college film! It's like, you know, behaving like to go to church and another goes to it.
What is talking about here? वहाँ पीछे के लोग हैं या चले गए?
है कि पीछे के लोग? और ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है, सिर्फ देख ही रहा है. Alright, so what we're going to have is, we're going to do this very interesting thing, Kangna and Imran. We've got our very pretty lady sitting out here. And they're going to have placards. And they're going to raise their placards. There's going to be a caption in each of the placards. I'm going to ask you, what does this mean? And what should a guy reply to that? Alright?
Okay.
See, every time we are put to the test, we're very nice people. Can I have you ladies raise your placards? Yeah. Alright. What's your name, darling? Farah. Farah says, and what color is that? I'm colorblind also. That's maroon for me.
That is pink. Pink says we are just friends.
We are just friends. Kangna, what does that mean?
Female perspective, please.
It means that though I am having second thoughts about you, but keep trying.
See, you have to understand, us poor men folk, we're very simple creatures. We understand things like yes and no. This might as well be Greek.
But I'd say the tone matters a lot.
Tone? Tone क्या होता है यार?
My heart is torn apart now.
If it is a call like we're just friends, so stay away. And it's like little oh, just friends, and you're little puppy, please don't bother me with questions like that. And it's like, well, friends, then you've got a chance. Simplify it more than that.
मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है यार.
Yes.
You have to have pity on us, yaar. I'm telling you, we are very simple creatures.
So tone matters more than words.
You know, between the yes and the no of a woman. So between the yes and the no of a woman, there's always a but. Yes. Next, please.
Oh.
I give up. I rest my case. Oh, I read this one.
I know this one. This one I also know.
It's fine.
It's fine. ये danger वाला है.
Yeah, would you elaborate?
हाँ, ये बहुत dangerous वाला है. This much even I know. Correct है ना? Dangerous. If she says it's fine,
Yeah,
is it actually fine?
it's not.
What is the level of danger when a girl says it's fine?
It's fine that I'm gonna get you.
अच्छा मतलब
It's fine means I'm gonna get you.
means you have to run now.
Yeah, to save yourself.
Oh. चलो, let's try another one.
Can we go that side?
Anyone on this side?
This side?
ठीक है.
Your future is as bright as mine. Come on.
It says you're not fat.
Gosh. क्या बेटा? तेरी तो गर्लफ्रेंड होनी ही नहीं है अभी. याद रखना.
You chose that one or they gave it to you?
No, he was the chosen one.
He has to have chosen this. He's quickly trying to say, hey, मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है. मैंने नहीं बोला है. यार, you're not fat means I want to live. That is the translation. मुझे अभी मरना नहीं है.
कंगना, आप क्या कहें?
I think basically it's just lack of intellectual words that they came across so lame. Like who uses words like you're not fat? Especially when see, if you're like in your office, yes, things could be straightforward and in your face. But when you're romancing a woman, you're in a relationship, it should be poetic. It should be.
Poetry?
It should be layered. It should have layers. Your thoughts and your words to her should have layers that she could enjoy long after you. So please use some gray matter, use some brain cells, and come up with better stuff. You don't just
You
want
have
to say,
layers or what?
no, you're not just
Just
fat.
have one layer.
हाँ यार
No, but
अब आप लोग दोनों फेल हो रहे हैं स्टेज पे
sir, मेरा तो कोई chance ही नहीं. मेरी
Don't,
शक्ल
don't
देखी.
don't make it sound like women are these nagging creatures because that's not true. Women are all beautiful things in the world are because of women. So yeah, so don't take this tone that I want to live.
ये फिर से टोन आ
I
गया
want to die.
this tone thing I have to understand this tone
We have to do vocal training, sir. Because singing class and then you'll understand.
I like the second one. That was yes.
ठीक है
One more? One of the boys?
yours
Let's go
will be very
behind.
floppy huh?
Can you scream out? Oh God, you're jacked. Finish. You leave this Audi right now. Leave Sophia's ka radius right now. You don't deserve to be here. Sorry, yaar, but honestly.
नहीं मतलब चांस है मे बी शी इज जस्ट अ फ्रेंड
Don't
इसलिए प्रोटेक्ट मी these people
She's just a friend. Kanna.
I
She's just a friend.
I think there's a chance that she's just a friend यार
There is a possibility.
But you could have
शक्ल से
said
शरीफ लगता है
no, but you could have said I hate her. Why did you say she's just a friend?
I don't.
Okay, if you're feeling that way about your guy friend, I would say I don't care about him. He looks like a douchebag. But you would say yes, she's hot, she's a nice girl, but she's just a friend.
It's not the words, it's the tone with which he's saying it.
No, but
अरे she's just a friend, तुम tone देखो.
Well, boys and girls, and more so the girls, I think all of us are going to be a part of this film because this is part of your college. This film is yours. I relate to this movie. Each and every one of you will relate to this movie, especially the guys, boys from there, that little June, that little minority that we have there. Your quota will be reserved for you, don't worry. So, I think 18th, the big day.
18th September.
Sir,
yeah.
please, one reason why everybody is and should go and I say don't download movies, huh? Please, torrent and all, don't do all this nonsense. Go watch it. I saw my mommy say, don't download movies, but Catholic mommy speak like that only. So, please, 18th, why should everyone go and watch the film?
If you guys like, why not both? But seriously, guys, this is a film that both of us are really proud of, and I say this from the heart. This is a genuine love story, a relationship story. This is a film that is going to make you go, how beautiful. It's going to make you weep lots and lots. That also is a guarantee. If that's the kind of film you're into, please check out Katti Batti.
Kangna,
मैं भी सर अच्छा दिया मैं भी सरफिरा टी-shirts. We have one small size, one medium size. Medium size one. And here's a small size. Good catch, yeah?
alright, boys and girls.